Mr. Buenaventura, how well do you know the President? Gaano niyo po kakilala si Pangulong Duterte?
Mabait po siya sa tao.
Bukod po sa mabait na sa tao, what else can you say about him?
Kalaban niya po yung mga kriminal.
And starting from 1988, you worked for Mayor Duterte. Can you please describe to us ano ho bang naging nature ng trabaho nyo sa noon ay Mayor Duterte?
Security driver po.
Security driver. And
Yes, Your Honor.
I wish to believe that as security driver, sir, kayo po ay halos 24/7 kasama ni Mayor Duterte.
Yes, Your Honor.
Maaari nyo po ba siyang ilarawan? Anong klase po bang principal or VIP si Mayor Duterte?
Para sa akin po, mabait po si Mayor Duterte.
And can you please share some incidents kung paano nyo po na-conclude na mabait si Mayor Duterte? This is 20 long years and I am sure marami ho kayong pwedeng ibahagi sa amin. Ano po yung personal nyong experience? Why you are saying mabait na principal si Mayor Duterte?
Ganito po, minsan, kung gabi magpatrol, may madaanan kaming tao, tanungin niya kung saan ka mag-uwi. We out in the morning. Tapos sabi niya, pakilala siya, Mayor Duterte, saan kayo mag-uwi? Para hindi daw matakot. Sabi niya sa Santa Cruz, Mayor, outside Davao City. May dalang bata, may dalang anak niya, 3. Husband, wife, at saka yung anak nila na maliit. Sinabihan ni Mayor yung backup, ihatid nyo sa Santa Cruz, Davao del Sur. So, inihatid nila.
Aside from that, Mr. Buenaventura, bukod ho dun sa paghahatid, dun sa nadaanan yung mag-ina, ano pa ho yung mga insidenteng maaari nyo ibahagi sa Quad? Bakit nyo sinasabing mabait na principal si Mayor Duterte?
Minsan po, manonood siya ng news every afternoon, 5 p.m. Minsan may maghingi ng tulong yung mga bata na malaki ang ulo. Tawagin niya ako. Tawagan mo si Bong. Sagutin mo ang gastos doon sa ospital. Tapos, huwag niyo nang sabihin kung saan galing.
By Bong, are you referring to Senator Bongo?
Yes po, yes po. Honor.
Kung ibabalik ko po yung inyong nakaraan and if you will be given the choice, sino pong gusto nyong maging principal nyo ulit? Si Mayor Duterte po ba ulit?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's how you admire, idolize, respect, and care for the former president. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the scale of 1 to 10, Mr. Buenaventura, if we will be assessing your loyalty and dedication to the former president, paano nyo ho ba gradean yung level ng loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa former president?
10.
1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest.
10.
And with a grade of 10, you will not say anything that will harm the president, yes or no?
Sorry, ma'am.
And with a grade of 10, ibig sabihin, yun po ang pinakamataas na loyalty at dedication na ibinibigay nyo sa president, you will not say anything that will harm the president.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
To the extent that you will make misrepresentation to save the president, yes or no?
Sorry po. But what do you mean, Your Honor?
To the extent that you will be making misrepresentation to save the former president. Tama po ba yun? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
With that, Mr. Chair, then I wish to believe that the representations that he is giving to us right now
Can you kindly
are not
translate that to
entirely
Tagalog? Para
Mr. Buenaventura,
Sorry.
kanina po tinanong
sorry,
ko
ma'am.
kayo
Sorry, Your Honor.
kung atin pong graduhan ang inyong loyalty at dedication sa inyong naging principal for a period of 20 years. 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest.
10 po.
Ganun po kataas ang loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa dating presidente. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At dahil sa napakataas ng inyong loyalty at dedikasyon sa kanya, hindi po kayo magsasabi ng kahit na anong ikakapahamak niya. Tama po ba o mali?
Tama po.
At kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling, magsisinungaling kayo, mailigtas nyo lamang siya.
Hindi po.
Tama po o mali?
Hindi po.
Because you are loyal and dedicated to the former president.
Wala
At
namang...
kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling to save the former president, gagawin nyo rin pong magsinungaling. Tama po o mali? Tama. Because you graded your loyalty and dedication by 10. At kung kailangan nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas lamang ang dating Pangulo, gagawin nyo din po ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
See? Kung kaya nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas ang dating Pangulo, the more reason na kaya nyong magsinungaling, mailigtas lang ang dating Pangulo. Can we please flash the pictures? The two old pictures? There. Maaari nyo po bang ituro sa amin dyan? Sino po ba kayo dyan?
Yung nakatindig po, nakaputi.
Yun pong nakatayong nakaputi.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po yung may bilog doon sa gitna?
Si dati presidente po.
At sino naman po yung mga kasama ninyo sa picture?
Taga-media po.
Taga-media. Saan po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
Sa kuwan po, sa Turil, yung masalang Eden Bayabas po, hindi pa yon, wala pa yung...
Mga anong taon po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
Hindi ko lang maalala. Hindi ko lang maalala, Your Honor.
Approximate year lang po. Perhaps you can base it on the looks of the former president. Batang-bata pa po siya dito. If you started in 1988...
Early 90s, Your Honor.
Early 90s, so mayor na po si President Duterte during that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
As early as then, gano'n na po kayo ka-close dito sa ating dating Pangulo, no? Kasi kahit mga media ang kasama, kayo pa rin ang kasama niya. Tama po ba?
Ako kasi ang security driver, Your
Is
Honor.
Turil outside Davao City?
Within Davao City.
Within
Your Honor.
Davao City. Can we flash the next picture, please? Sino po kayo dito, Mr. Buenaventura?
Wala po ako dyan, ma'am.
Wala po kayo. Sino po yung may bilog na naka-shades?
Hindi po ako yan, ma'am.
Sino nga po? Yung may bilog na naka-shades, if you can identify him. Nakikilala niyo po ba siya?
Hindi po, hindi po.
I think nakikilala ko po siya. He's the former president. Tama po ba?
Ay, yung isa, ma'am. Yung dalawa kasi nakabilog, ma'am. Yung isa, ma'am, hindi ko kilala. Itong isa, ma'am, kilala ko.
He's the former president. At ito pong nasa bandang kaliwa, sino po ba yon?
Hindi ko kilala yan, ma'am.
Hindi nyo po nakikilala. Yun pong nasa likod.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi nyo rin po kilala. But at least the first picture, Mr. Chair, shows that as early as 1990s, Mr. Buenaventura is already with the President, and having spent 10 years of his police career with the President during the time as mayor of Davao City, I wish to believe that he has given so much loyalty and dedication to the President, as proven by his recent answers. Ang sabi po niya, kung kailangan niyang ialay ang buhay niya to save the President, gagawin niya. At kung kailangan niyang magsinungaling to save the President, magsisinungaling siya. I submit, Mr. Chair.